Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Charles Schwab for IRA beneficiary reminders, detailed guide step by. To start, visit the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account with your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting the Open an Account option. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Look for your IRA account listed under your accounts. Click on the IRA account to access details specific to that account. Next, find the beneficiary options in the account details. Select Add or Edit Beneficiaries to manage this section. Here, you will see options to enter or update beneficiary information. Fill out the necessary fields with the required details for each beneficiary. Make sure to designate primary and contingent beneficiaries as needed. After entering the information, review your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes to update your IRA beneficiary list. To set up reminders, go back to the home page. Look for the Alerts or Notifications section in your account settings. Select the option related to beneficiary updates or reminders. Choose your preferences for notification delivery. You can opt for email, text, or app notifications. Save your alert preferences to ensure you receive timely reminders. Lastly, log out of your account once you have completed all changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.